Sentence formation. What is a sentence?
A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought.
Sentences are essential for clear communication and conveying meaning. We can say that sentences are the fundamental building blocks of any language.
Sentence formation. It is basically a process of putting words together to form a complete thought. In English, a sentence has a specific structure, including a subject, a verb, and often an object. If we talk about the basic structure of a sentence, it is mainly composed of subject, verb, and object. Who or what the sentence is about is subject. In other words, we can say the doer of any action is subject. The action or state in the sentence is verb. Who or what is affected by the action, or in other words, receiver of any action is object. Let's have some examples. She sings songs. She, who is performing the action, is subject. Sings, the action, is verb. Songs, which receives the action, is object. The baby cries. Baby is a subject. Cries, the action, is verb. When we are going to form any sentence, sometimes we add articles, helping verb, adjective, and other parts of speech. Let's add some more examples. For example, he eats apple. In this sentence, he is a subject, apples are the object, and eats is a verb or action. The dog barks. In this sentence, dog is a subject, bark is a verb, which is performed by the dog. You can see that in this sentence, object is missing, which means a sentence can be complete without an object. We have also added the article the in the sentence to emphasize the subject in the sentence. Next example is I am happy. In this sentence, I is a subject, am is a helping verb, and happy is an adjective. She works slowly. She is a subject, work is a verb, and slowly is an adverb. Here are some tips for making sentences. Start it simple, keep it short, check the grammar, and practice it more. The more you practice, more it would be clear. Simple sentences example. Here are a few basic sentences using the subject-verb-object agreement. Number 1, I eat rice. He plays football. She reads book. The sun shines. They watch TV. You can see in all these sentences, there is a single subject, a verb, and an object. Now let's make easiest sentences from the given set of words. Dog run fast. The dog runs fast. Cat sleep mat. The cat sleeps on the mat. They read newspaper. They read newspaper. Birds fly sky. Birds fly in the sky. Have you noticed whenever we make the sentences with the given set of words, we sometimes add some articles, preposition, helping verb, and other parts of its speech to give clear meaning to the sentence. Whenever you're going to practice of your sentence formation, start with these basic types of sentences. Positive sentences, which are also called affirmative sentences. Negative sentences and question sentences. Let's discuss all these types in detail. Positive sentences. They simply state something. For example, I cleaned the room. She worked every day. They watch movies on weekend. Negative sentences. These sentences tell that something does not happen. Use do not or does not for present tenses. For example, I do not clean the room. She does not work every day. They do not watch movies on weekend. Remember that use do not with I, you, we and they. And use does not with he, she, it. I will tell you this concept in detail when we will discuss tenses. Question sentences. These sentences ask something. Use do or does at the beginning. For example, do I clean the room? Does she work every day? Do they watch movies on weekend? There is an activity named Try It Yourself. In this, you have to form the sentences with the help of given set of words. Number 1. I drink water. My mother cook meal. Cat chase mouse. Sime run fast. Boy kick ball. I like mango. She write letter. We visit zoo. Birds sit trees. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.